everyone, and welcome to episode 4 of Project R. We're here today at Shelsley Walsh. We got invited to a private day along with the Yaris GR Owners Club, so we thought it would be the perfect opportunity to show you guys our Mark 8 going up the hill. We've got no performance mods on it, or no power mods on it at the moment. It's got the Rotiform wheels and Nitron suspension at the moment. But other than that, the engine and the rest of the car is completely standard. So we're going to take it up a couple of times and see how it performs. We also got our race Mark 1, so we'll be sending that up. And yeah, hope you guys like it, and we'll get to show you how the day goes. Hopefully you guys have managed to see some good in-car footage of the Mark 8 going up the hill. Unfortunately, we've had to cut our day short. I think it was after about the 3rd or 4th run up the hill. We noticed a considerable amount of smoke coming from the engine bay. Got out, had a quick inspection, and there seems to be a failure or an issue with the brake reservoir. So we're going to be taking a look at it now, deciding whether we have to trailer the car back to Forge or if we'll manage to drive it back at a steady pace. And yeah, sorry we've had to cut this episode a bit short, but we're going to enjoy the rest of the day with a Mark 1, taking that up the hill, and we'll get the car back to the shop and see what we can do to fix it. Thank you again for watching. If you guys can be sure to like and subscribe. Again, let us know if there's anything you'd like to see us doing. We're really enjoying creating some more content for you guys, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Thanks.